So our newest video, we have this cedar log here. I got a bunch of this left over from another project that I done. It's what are we? We're 6 3/4 down here on this end. We're 6 inches down on this end, I think. Yeah, that'd be about right. So what our plan is, we're gonna take this log, we're gonna strip all this down, we're gonna cut it in half, and then we're gonna make it into a shelf. Stay around and I'll show you how we plan on doing that. Oh, got a video coming. So this was a Harbor Freight hatchet that I made. Got a little dirt on it because I've been messing with it. But it turned out really well. Put a custom grip on the handle. Really like it. It works out good. Choke up on it real good. But yeah, this is like a 1.5 pound hatchet that I kind of customized. I'll be making a video and showing you all how I did that. Now I know this would be easier with a draw knife and all that. I thought I had one, but I guess I lost it somewhere in the move. So we're gonna do it with this. We did find our spoke shaver the other day. Nope, right now we're just gonna take and shave all this bark off. Now that we got most of the bark off there, we're gonna find a good point on our log. I've never attempted something like this, so this is new to me, but this is the way I think it needs to be done. So we're averaging about 6 inches. Then we'll go right here. Well, this. All right. All right. That is our line going down our log. Now, we're going to see about how we're going to cut this in half. And the most efficient way to cut it in half. So, Well, that's pretty. Tried skill saw. That didn't work. Well, it kind of worked, but it didn't work. And I don't know, just figured like chainsaw would probably be the best thing to use for this project. Is it the best? No, but I mean, can it be shaved down and made into something? Oh yeah, definitely. So just follow along and we'll see what happens. All right. So our goal is for this shelf to be 12 inches deep and 24 inches wide. So there's our 24 mark. And then we're going to make these 14 inches or somewhere along there. So there's that. And that's going to be the, I guess you want to call the legs for our shelf. Coming out. So we're going to square some mark there. Square some mark here. As far as we know what square is, I mean, that's the reason they call it custom woodworking, right? So we don't make it all the way through. But the good Lord has equipped us with some tools to do so. Alright, there's that. Put a little wax on that saw and it might go through that a little bit easier. Cedar out fine, it worked real good. Neighbors going by. Man, that's a pretty piece of wood. Real pretty. Alright, so there's that. Alright. Now, we need to do the exact same thing again. So, put that up there. Like so. Make sure we stay the same. Set this up here. And this. Crease that out just like that. And I'll do the same again. Guess this is what you would call live edge. Somewhat like that. Look good to me. Alright, there's that. I tell you what, them Diablo blades are good. I've had this one on here for probably a year and a half. We do not want it splitting off.